this is ridiculous. Like, really ridiculous. The MR has been rejected, okay? I mean, what we ordered and what you delivered. I mean, you guys know. Have you seen? I mean, is this some kind of joke or like, what's happening?
I don't know. Moreover, the RAL finish that we ordered was 9010, the pure white. But what you have delivered is 9016, the traffic white. This is completely rejected and unacceptable. Come on. The thing is, do you think that the ceiling of our airport can be changed for your light? Really, it is not acceptable and ridiculous. You have to fix it.
We understand. First, you have the MIR report.
Yes.
Yeah, we have it. We have it.
Yeah.
Okay, so in the MIR report, it's rejected because you ordered Dolly and 0 to 10 volt has been delivered.
Mm-hmm.
That's correct.
That's correct.
Okay.
So we ordered Dali.
That's not
You
correct.
ordered a node.
That's what. There's no MIR. I got here that it was Dolly ordered and 0 to 10 volt delivered.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
This is
Yeah,
correct.
this is one. Yeah, this is correct.
Correct.
We ordered Dali version we ordered. You delivered 1 to 10 volt.
Okay.
And moreover, the RAL finish of the picture.
The cable
We
pull
ordered-
also for 1 to 10 volts.
Yeah.
It's an Osram driver. You've delivered Tridonic. Zagato is what we ordered. Zagato LED modules. And you delivered Cree LED modules.
Let me just take note. Osram was
We actually chose Osram, yes.
and Tridonic was delivered.
How can you
Yeah.
get like brands wrong? Like, I thought you guys were experts. You call yourself solutions, you're giving us issues instead of solutions.
Yeah, but
Big number.
I
The
understand.
RAL finish is
I
okay.
understand.
9,000
9,000
pieces.
light.
Actually, as per the technical submittal,
Yeah.
which we submit already to the consultant and all the details, this
Okay.
is what exactly we submitted.
No.
Your order, it's completely different than the material submittal. We submitted first, then based on the designers and the selection, how the installation to be done, there was we returned back and go back to the manufacturer, and they don't have this in daily concept. That's why we deliver already. We submitted the 0 to 10 volt approved. Based on this one, our coordination with the control team already done, and we already submitted our complete.
So you want to say what was ordered was not available, so what is available you delivered.
available
something which
after
was
the
innovative.
material submitted.
Okay.
So
We
we
delivered
need to
as per the technical
check this
design.
one. You can see it.
No, as a execution, I would like to say when you're talking around 9,000, 10,000 drivers in a project,
Okay.
before procuring, you should have had a bench test.
So you're
which
saying it's our
normally
fault
happens.
Everybody shut up. Because they're rejected because the submissions are not matching the delivered. You submitted what is not delivered. Who is going to be responsible for this? You have not delivered as per your submittals. So stop trying to tell me that you have submitted as per something else because we have gone through everything. It's not regarding what was specified. Your submittal does not match what was delivered. So your material inspection request, they're out. Who am I holding responsible? What's your solution?
Okay, we need to check this. If the technical
Okay,
submittal
as
that
a
we've
solution,
submitted-
now we have
You're
already
going to
put
check
the
after
cable-
delivering 9,000 light fixtures.
Yeah,
The
we need to-
complete specifications in front of you.
if we've submitted. the
Hold
technical
on,
submittal-
somebody's coming up with a solution.
See, we are talking about a solution where the 1 to 10 volt cable is pulled already,
Okay.
and we have a driver for 1 to 10 volt. So why don't we convince the same quality what we are going to achieve through DALI through 1 to 10 volt? Since the cable is pulled and the driver is procured, why don't we convince the consultant and the client we can achieve the same through the 1 to 10 volt?
From the day one, you know that what is the client requirement, the project requirement, what the specification says. It is DALI version, right or wrong? From the day one, you know that what's the color finish we need. It is 9010. It's a pure white. What you delivered is something similar to that. What is like a traffic white. From the day one, you know that the complete specification, the details are there in front of you.
How the cables will be pulled outside as a 0 to 10 volt instead of daily. The cable will be pulled based on not by didn't happen by us. It's happened by the MAP. So the MAP they will follow approved drawings.
No, still the power supply that you supplied is 1 to 10 volts. It's not because of the cable pulling or something.
I'd like to point out at this point that it doesn't say anything about pulling it.
That you are liable for all the liquidated damages for the delay. Our instruction to deduct this from your payment will be sent to you immediately.
From the fact if what we've delivered is different to the technical submittal.
Yeah.
First thing we have to do, we have to go back and look at why this has happened.
Damage control.
We have to understand how we can rectify this. If Zakato was ordered and we delivered Cree, I personally can understand that there's been a mistake, but this might not be the be all and end all. The problem that we have at the moment is the Dali to 0 to 10 volts.
And the color finishers.
No, but this is a solution that if there's any cable that has been pulled, then we have to look at it. If cable hasn't been pulled, perhaps we can look at maybe there's a way we can save costs in changing the control system. And already then there's no damages, you're actually going to save money. But we have to take a call and actually get all of the team involved in taking this. I don't think.
So you're telling us now to own whatever damage you've done and just be happy.
I'm not saying there's any damages.
I like to. We are here to solve problems for you. That's what we're here for. First of all, for all the inconvenience caused to you, we apologize.
We will get a solution.
Let's take the
That's
issues.
the bottom
Let's
line.
take the issues one by one over here. 0 to 10 volt in place of Dali.
Wasn't in the script.
Anyways,
Yeah,
so
I'm
it's not in the script, so we received instructions from the contractor. We're not putting the blame on the contractor right now. But what we can do over here, we can prove to you that 0 to 10 works for you. One. Secondly, we'll give you cost savings. It works for you. It works perfectly for you. What you need will be delivered by 0 to 10. It's done. Let us get back to you with the report for that. And Mr. Walid over here, he's going to work on that.
If it can possible to accept the 0 to 10 volts
Yes.
and we can prove and make
We can prove.
mock-up
Yeah.
with complete full dimming and
Yeah.
matching with all the your requirement and the same concept and can prove it if you accept it.
Yeah.
It will be
Now, moving on to the point number two. Moving on to point number 2, which is supply of Cree in place of Zakato. Now, what has happened? I think there is some miscoordination or miscommunication on our part or from the side of the contractor. What is happening? There is a global shortage of semiconductor components right now. Everyone knows about it. I can share reports with you. It's everywhere. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the manufacturer over here. He's going to explain to you what is the current situation right now in the factory. We're going to get back to you with an LM80 report for Zakato and for Cree. That proves to you that it's an apple-to-apple thing. There is no difference. Cree is a well-renowned brand, accepted globally, everywhere, and is covered under our warranty. It's a 5 years warranty that we offer by the manufacturer. And last not the least is regarding the RAL finish. If it's our fault, we own it. We replace it for you. But let's not stop the installation because your time gets affected. The project gets delayed. So I'll suggest begin the installation. Trim goes in the last. Trim is the last component. So
We can look at
exactly.
it.
So Mr. Augustin over here, he can look into it, he can work on it, and he can replace the trims for you. Yeah. So where we are wrong, we'll own it, but we're going to give you cost savings for your drivers, and we'll prove to you that Cree is an apple to apple.
Okay.
Yeah.
When will I have the confirmation on the plan?
Yeah.
The mitigation, I want to know when. Because my ceiling is at 13 meters.
Yeah.
It's due for closing.
Yeah.
And I was expecting me sticking these things in the ceiling.
Yeah.
So who
When's
is
the
going to
ceiling-
be responsible?
How long is it till the ceiling's going to be closed?
But the scaffolding is going to come down once that's closed. So this is our one shot to get it in.
I don't know.
And
If
wait-
you change the RAL finish, okay, the warranty will be valid or void, or what is the stand of the?
Come again, sir?
If you change the RAL
The RAL
finish,
finish? Yes.
okay, what about the warranty?
Warranty?
The warranty
is the same
is
warranty.
for the
yes.
electronic
It's
components.
It's just a
Same
trim,
thing,
sir. It's
same
just a
thing.
trim. Trim. It has nothing to do with the warranty. You get 5 years warranty. We'll have it in writing from the manufacturer.
If it peels off or something like.
Come again, sir?
The paint peels off, or what's the warranty that you are giving for the?
We give a guarantee for the same.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Who
Are you satisfied?
is going to be responsible for these delays? Who's going to be? Who do I talk to? I want to call somebody. Who do I call? Do I call Augustine? Do I call Matt? Do I call NASA?
Yeah, we just want one
I
point
want
of
one
contact.
contact.
So we
Matt is your point of contact, and but we all are reachable. We all are reachable for any technical queries. You can get in touch with me. But yeah, Matt is your prime point of contact over here. Yeah.
And we will sit tomorrow.
Yeah.
And discuss this.
Yeah.
If you can allow us maybe 3 days, which will still give us a bit of time to get everything sorted before you close the season.
Yeah.
Is this doable, guys?
Absolutely.
A few
You
days.
can
Yeah.
put extra manpower and
Yeah.
we see to that it is done before your scaffolding could come down.
So within 3 days, we'll come back to you with
The solution.
the plan of action and a solution.
Yeah.
And if there's anything in the meantime, I'll be your point of contact.
Yeah.
Is there anything else?
We can do for you.
You can start working on it.
Absolutely.
We will.
All right, great. Comments?